A season full of drama and injuries continue for the Lakers. A starting backcourt Friday night featuring D-League most valuable player Andrew Gowlak and Darius Morris because Steve Nash, Jody Meeks, and Steve Blake are all out. Tim Duncan and the Spurs trying to win game number 3 of the series. Tim Duncan, 4 of 5 shooting in the first quarter. San Antonio, 61% from the field in the first frame. A turnover by the Lakers results in a Tony Parker layup, capping an 8-0 San Antonio run. 30-18, San Antonio outscores LA in the first. Lakers 0 for 4 from downtown in the first quarter. They struggled here in the second as well. Metta World Peace, and then the Spurs defense collapses. Andrew Gowlak misses. Just a very frustrating night for the Lakers. Tony Parker, the opposite end of the spectrum. He had a tremendous second half in game number 2. In game 3, 12 points, 4 assists, 1 turnover. That's just in the first half. Tim Duncan, 6 of 7 from the field for 12 points over the first 2 periods. Spurs shot 59% in the half and led it 55-44 at the break. Another 30-point frame in the third for San Antonio. Tim Duncan, 5 of 7, 10 points in the third. Here, cleaning up the Tony Parker miss, Duncan finishes the game with 26 points on an efficient 12 of 16 shooting to go along with 9 rebounds. San Antonio 70% in the third quarter. Manu Ginobili the steal, 1 of 7 third-quarter turnovers by the Lakers. Corey Joseph the lay-in. There was one bit of scary news here for San Antonio in the third. Thiago Splitter, hustling for the ball, goes down with a left ankle injury. He would be taken to the locker room, and Splitter did not return. But the Spurs win this one handily and take a commanding 3-0 advantage in this best-of-7 series. San Antonio can complete the series sweep Sunday back at Staples Center.